So when you talk about Assam, though I completely don't agree with the protest entirely, but I strongly believe that people have their own right to express their voice and protest against the bill. If the people feel this law doesn't suit us, they have the right to protest. And when they protest, the state shouldn't behave as a colonial state. As a colonial government, they shouldn't do. It's a democratic government. The government should listen to people, listen to them, and then decide what is good for people. For that, a dialogue is necessary. But in Assam, as well as other part of India, Delhi or Tamil Nadu, the democracy is not there. People are beaten up everywhere. And in the name of NIA, people are arrested and then are still kept in jail. For example, Akhil Gogoi, he is an activist in Assam. He is arrested under NIA and he is in jail. So, we all demand that he should be released, as well as other activists who are arrested across India. When they name is Arun, I am a student of history in Delhi, but I am originally from Tamil Nadu. So the protest against CAA is not only happening in Assam and Northeast, but it is happening across India. And in Tamil Nadu also the protest is happening. But the reason for protest in different parts of India are completely different from Northeast. Take for example Tamil Nadu, the state I belong to. The people protest there because the CAA does not include the Sri Lankan Tamil refugees. So there was a civil war in Sri Lanka, and then the Tamil people in Sri Lanka were killed, and then they were sent as refugees in Tamil Nadu. So the Tamil refugees in Tamil Nadu are living for more than 30-40 years, and they don't even have basic human right there. So one of our main demands as Tamil people is to include the Sri Lankan Tamil refugees as the citizens of India. But this act doesn't have that. So the main demand of the protest in Tamil Nadu is to include the Sri Lankan Tamil refugees as the citizens of India. That is the case of Tamil Nadu. I also study in Delhi, so there the protest scenario is very different. People are protesting in Jamia Millia Islamia University, Shaheen Bagh, Selampur, Turkman Gate, and many other places. Students, activists, intellectuals, Muslims, women, everyone are protesting. And they are also protesting for very different reason. Because this CAA is completely anti-secular, anti-constitutional, as well as anti-people. So this bill, if you see, clearly include this, the refugees from Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh. Every community except Muslims. India is a secular country. So it should treat everyone equally, irrespective of their religion. But the bill completely avoid that. So that is the reason why people in Delhi oppose the bill, as well as the other part of India.